How to cancel Shipstreak order. I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel Shipstreak orders. Before initiating the cancellation process, it's essential to determine whether your order is eligible for cancellation. Shipstreak support team will make this decision based on various factors such as order status, shipping stage, and company policies. There are several ways to reach out to Shipstreak's support team. Visit Shipstreak's official website and navigate to the contact page. First, fill out the contact form with relevant details such as your order number, contact information, and reason for cancellation. Be clear and concise in your communication to expedite the process. If you prefer direct communication, dial the Shipstreak support number at +91 755 430 4202. You can initiate a chat with their customer care team by sending a direct message outlining your cancellation request. Regardless of the communication channel you choose, make sure to provide all necessary information accurately. This includes your order number, contact details, and reason for cancellation. Providing clear and concise information will help expedite the cancellation process. After initiating the cancellation request, it's essential to follow up with Shipstreak's support team if you don't receive an immediate response. Delays in contacting support may result in your order proceeding to the shipping stage, making cancellation more challenging. Maintain a polite and patient demeanor during your interaction, even if there are delays or complications in the cancellation process. Depending on Shipstreak's policies, there may be cancellation fees involved. Be sure to inquire about any potential charges before proceeding with the cancellation. Familiarize yourself with Shipstreak's cancellation policies to understand your rights and obligations as a customer. This will help you navigate the cancellation process more effectively. Throughout the cancellation process, keep records of all communication, including emails, chat transcripts, or phone call details. These records can serve as valuable documentation in case of any disputes or issues. Remember to communicate clearly, act promptly, and remain courteous throughout the process.